So now I'm going to show you a video about how to replace a light strand on your umbrella. And we're going to just replace a light strand here on this arm. Process is pretty much the same for all the arms. And it starts by removing the arm from the rib connector. And it's easy to do, it's just one screw on either side. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver, take those screws out and arm comes free. Next thing you want to do is remove the light strand from the arm, and I have a little hook tool. You can use a screwdriver or anything just to get it started, but you're gonna pop it out here. And now just gonna pull it out of the arm. Yeah, and we're just gonna lay it there. We're gonna lay our arm back down. And all the light strands here have two wires, a red and a black wire, that come underneath and feed into this little box. So it's not hard at all really to replace them. But to get this little cap off, there's 4 screws, one here, one underneath, and 2 on the side that hold this electrical box in place. Now I'm just going to remove those 4 screws real quickly. Each one of them has a little half round washer on it. And there's one underneath. Okay, now I can actually slide this cap to our electrical box out of the way. And so now what we want to do is identify which red and white wire is attached to this light strand. To do that, I'm going to slide this little black weathering strip back out of the way. Makes it a little easier to see what we're doing here. Okay. Now I can see my 2 wires. And as I kind of wiggle it, I can see this is the one red wire to this light strand. It's with a screw right here. And the white one right here, yeah, well, there's the white one. And it goes to this screw here. So I'm going to take a regular Phillips head screwdriver and just loosen these 2 screws on the terminal up. You'll find many of the wires, you might have 2 or 3 held in by one screw. And I take that out, and there's the red wire that goes to that light strand. And it's a screw here holding the white wire. Just so you understand, all the red wires are all attached to an outer ring, so they're all connected. The white ones are all to the inner ring. They're virtually all connected. We do want to try to get them back on the right post though. So now our wire's loose, real easy. All I have to do is pull it out to the hole. Now the light strand is out of the umbrella. Now to replace it, we're just going to reverse this process. We're going to take a new light strand, and we're going to take the wires, feed them up underneath there. And we're going to feed them back through the same hole that they both came out of. All right, there's our new light strand wires. So the red one, put that back on first. Okay, there's our red wire reconnected. Now we're going to take our white wire. And again, we have a couple wires that were connected on the same screw to the terminal. Okay, now our white wire is connected. So next we're going to slide our cap to the electrical box back in place. Wiggle it down here. There, we got it in place. We're going to put our 4 little screws with the half washers back in. And we've got that one last one up underneath. All right, we've got the 4th one in place. The screws are all back in place. Our new light strand is connected. So what's left is I'm going to slide this little weathering strip back up in place there. It's not critical, but nice to have there. Just going to grab it with little pliers and slide it back up. And last, we're just going to put the new light strand back into the arm. All you got to do is take your fingers and put a little squeeze on it, and the new light strand will just pop back up into the arm. Work our way down. All right, our new light strand is in, it's connected. We're all set. All we have to do to finish up here is to reattach the rib connector. All right, we're done. We've replaced the light strand on a 10 by 10 Eclipse umbrella. The process to replace light strands is the same as I just showed you for any of the arms on the umbrella.